Welcome to our comparison of freelancing and online business models. In today's digital age, many people are exploring these paths for income and freedom. Let's dive into the details, starting with income potential. Freelancers often charge hourly or per project, with income varying widely based on skill and demand. For example, a graphic designer might earn between $20 to $100 per hour. In contrast, online business owners can scale their income significantly, with potential earnings ranging from a few thousand to millions annually, depending on the business model. Next, let's discuss scalability. Freelancing typically limits growth to the number of hours you can work. On the other hand, online businesses can scale by automating processes and reaching broader audiences. Now, let's consider time investment. Freelancers often have flexible schedules, but may find themselves working long hours to meet client demands. Business owners, while also investing time, can create systems that eventually reduce their daily workload. Moving on to risk, freelancing carries less financial risk since startup costs are low, but income can be inconsistent. Online businesses may require more upfront investment, but they can provide more stable income over time. Speaking of startup costs, freelancers usually need minimal investment, often just a computer and internet connection. In contrast, starting an online business may involve costs for website development, marketing, and inventory. Let's talk about freedom. Freelancers enjoy the ability to choose their projects and clients, while business owners can create a lifestyle that aligns with their goals, though they may face more responsibilities. Stress levels can vary. Freelancers may experience stress from client deadlines, while business owners might feel pressure from managing operations. Finally, let's explore long-term growth. Freelancers can build a personal brand, but their income often relies on continuous client acquisition. Business owners can create assets that generate passive income, leading to greater financial security. To help you decide, consider your priorities. If you value flexibility and low risk, freelancing might be for you. If you're aiming for scalability and long-term growth, an online business could be the better choice. Remember, both paths have unique advantages and challenges. Choose the one that aligns with your goals and lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your journey.